Hi friends, welcome to the channel. On this episode we will be doing a headliner on Square Body Pickup 1986 C20, aka Big Brown, if you guys are following the channel. So headliner should be fairly self-explanatory on this guy. Not much in the clips. You have screws, more screws here, more screws there. Man, somebody was really into screws doing it, but you know what? I'll take screws on old car over brittle plastic any day. Alright. So, what we got here? So if sun is in your eyes, it's also in my eyes. Like, hella. Alright, cool. So now we're just gonna go around and get all the screws off. So this just pulls up here. Alright. We're halfway there. Just kidding. There's a lot more screws. Oops. Technical difficulties? We'll get to that one in a second.
Where do you want me to put it?
So here. That is a lot of screwing, guys. Yeah. Alright, so now We're gonna take them bad boys off. One. Make sure we don't lose the bolts, because for screws there are slightly different screws for each side. So let's go to the other side. Okay, number 2 is off. Almost home free. So usually there is something in here. Once this pried open, don't forget to get some Phillips screws. You can notice the headliner is falling down already. At least I can notice it. It's trying to fall down on my head. This thing was on fire or something at some point. We're just gonna set it like this for now. Alright, time to get the side ones off. Alright guys, on this particular truck, seat belt retainer is 13/16. Alright, so now we're gonna do the other side real quick. Well, shit. Little bastard tried to escape. Got him. Got him. So we'll put it back. Alright, I left one screw on each side. So once we get them off, the whole shit might fall down on our heads. And by ours, I mean mine, since you're not in here. Alright. Not yet. Okay. Let's go get another one. Oh, oh. So, 30-year-old dust and dirt kicking up over here. Hello. You see how that's holding it slightly? And now it doesn't. This thing is pretty brittle, as you can see. I mean, it's old as shit, but you wanna get old glue off pretty much. Looks like I'll be able to maybe get it all done in one scoop. Let's see. See if we can get the camera over here. Not sure how many layers is in here, but I think I'm peeling the whole freaking layer off. What we're gonna use, we got our fabric from Joann's. We're gonna go slow, no need to go fast here. We gotta spray both the material and the headliner. And then do the same from both sides. And then leave it to dry out for about a day or so without hanging it up, and it should be good to go. That's pretty much what it should look like. Don't worry much about edges, because remember there's trim all around the edges. And plus, once it dries out, we're gonna take X-Acto knife to it and cut out all the holes, like the hole here, holes for the windshield, visors, things like that. Well, yeah, so that's pretty much how you do headliner and assembly. Completely opposite from disassembly. So cut it all up and put it back together. Alright guys, if you liked the video, hit thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Uploading videos weekly. Thank you for watching. Take care.